Good morning everyone. I Divya is here to discuss about blood and its functions. So dear students, blood is a connective tissue and it is the only tissue which is in the form of fluid. Blood is present in 5 to 6 liters in normal human being. It is 4 to 5 liters in females and 5 to 6 liters in males. Blood plays a vital role in organisms and is present in almost all the organisms. So let's discuss about the blood today. Blood has 4 main components. One is RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma. We will discuss about its functions today. So the various functions of blood are transportation, regulation and protection. Blood, it transports oxygen to various parts of the body and takes away carbon dioxide from the body. It contains various nutrients like sodium, calcium and carbonates in the blood. It consists of hormones, which are the chemical messengers and controls and coordinates the blood. It consists of various enzymes which helps in the metabolism, and it carries away waste product which is nitrogenous in nature from the blood. The next is regulation. The pH of blood is 7.6. It is towards the alkaline nature and it regulates hemostasis. Hemostasis means it controls the body temperature and it maintains the water content of the body. The next is protection. Blood consists of white blood cells and they are responsible for the phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means it fights against the diseases. They act as soldiers in the body. They are white blood cells, they fight against the diseases and protects the body. They are responsible for the immune response. It is the reservoir for the nutrients and water in the body, and the clotting process is controlled by the blood. The platelets which are present in the blood, they clot the blood and they just protect the extra flowing of blood, wastage of the blood from the body by formation of clot. So dear students, it was all about the function of blood, and in my next video we will discuss about the components of blood. Thank you and have a great day.